Okay, so here we are at the street. Great house. I love the color scheme. It's like a olive green, a darker green, and a black color. Roof looks like it's in really good shape. We do have pretty much a property line right here. And then let's see what's over here. Got a little drainage, and same thing, property line on that side too. One thing to note, we do have an apple tree, pear tree right here. And so you do get just a wee little bit of Big Bear Boulevard noise because this is an area that does back up to the boulevard right here. It's not awful because you've got Maple Lane right around here, so it's, people are slowing down, but you can hear it. So another thing to note, probably driveway for like 2-3 cars. Maybe get a small boat back here. I like that they have this little covered area here for like firewood, also for the trash cans. Just gives it good curb appeal. Wood stairs coming up. Nice tall trees in the front yard. This is another apple tree right here that's growing right behind that pine tree. So screen door. This is probably not a part of the square footage, but this is just like a covered entry. So the main part of the home sits there, but really nice that you could come out here, stay warm, and be able to watch the snow and also have a nice mud room as well. So coming into the home, just really, really a cute house. I like all the colors that they've used. They've got like neutrals and stuff on the wall outside of this, but then, they've got like accent pieces that are really cute. Laminate, hardwood floors right here. And this is their kind of entry area. They are currently a vacation rental. So dining right at the front. So this one does have an add-on. Typically this would be the living room in a, you would call this a Sierra style home. So I used to live in a Sierra style home and the front room was the living room. But this one does have an addition to it. So moving into the kitchen, we do have granite countertops. And we do have popcorn ceiling that transitions into just regular ceiling. And then from here, we're gonna go laminate floor to tile. But beautiful kitchen. I like how they did it. I mean, it's almost like they kept the cutout of the last thing and then just put new drawers in there. But it works. Lots of signs of rental, like with their stuff out. Windows are single pane windows. I'm gonna go outside at the end of the tour, but just a little pantry area. I mean, this is kind of cool for like your dishes, bowls, silverware, everything that you would need. Great little addition right here. And I like the wide opening as well. All right, so going from the kitchen, oh, we didn't even check out the fireplace yet. So slate fireplace, it's kind of big, oversized as well. It does not have a gas starter, which is good because then your renters are not going to be leaving the gas on. Got a wood mantle right here with the Wi-Fi info. This is also a dual pane window, or sorry, single pane window. And then check out this mural right here. This is really cool, kind of Big Bear. So coming down the hallway, and just a little shot of it right here. This is gonna be an owner's closet, so they do have that locked off. And we've got bathroom number 1 with granite. That might be quartz countertop. Ooh, I love their lamp. It's really kind of cool. Interesting. And then plastic tub. But super clean. They do have it to where you can operate it remotely, which is nice. And then this part of the house also has popcorn too. So coming down the hallway, we've got laundry. And this is going to be the master bedroom. So we've transitioned here from laminate flooring to carpet flooring in the master. No weird smells or anything, but they do, they have the cleaners that still need to arrive to put the beds together. Air conditioner. In here it's a slightly different flooring. And this is going to be like a Formica. I like how they, this is a jetted bathtub, but they trimmed it out in wood. Very cute, very clean. And then this is a fun space. So this is just a little office area. A little toasty in here, but they've got some windows that could be opened up. They did set up like a little bar area here for coffee. So whomever it is just likes to have coffee and work all the time. Sounds like me. And then this one is currently used as a vacation rental. I've got the numbers on it. Little dresser in the closet. Did I open this yet? Nope. Just extra supply storage things right here. And here we have bedroom number 2. I like that it's just a basic, I mean, it almost looks hand-built. This is very cute. Headboard. Different. So this is probably a queen bed right here. King bed in the master. And then this is bedroom number 3. So this part is the add-on because typically this lines up with the kitchen right here. So they've added that part on as well. They had to have a trundle bed in here just in order to be able to have the room for the pass-through. So here we have what they're going to use as the living room. Got a live edge wood countertop with a little sink. These are newer hardwood floors than the ones at the front. This is about to get really exciting. I don't know what's going on back here. Because it's kind of like industrial feeling, you know. I love the big couch that they have back here. I just like all the raw wood exposed up there. So I'm wondering if there's a space to get up there, and so far I haven't seen anything. Cool floors. So just a simple full bathroom, really nicely done. Good storage. Nice clean tub. But my question is, what is up there? Because there's no way up there. And I don't see an attic trapdoor. Okay, so moving on. Just like a gaming area, books, board games, things like that. And they've got this nice wall that you see in a lot of churches. Super, super cute. I mean, whatever it is up there, it's not that big. But at the same time, it's big. It's just a loft area. I'm gonna go outside from here. So I'm gonna go the other way. So you get a little bit of road noise right here, but not the worst thing in the world. But you can hear it. You can see it. So this is going to walk into that pantry right there at the kitchen. They must allow dogs because they have dog stuff. We do have a hot tub with a little drink stand on it. Oh, this is fun. Got a little putt-putt. Never seen that before. That's pretty cool. And then, so they've got this other area up there, which I don't know how to get up there, but they've got something up there. But for rental, since it's not a part of the square footage, likely they can't rent it. So they had to block it off like that and just make it inaccessible to people. So there you have it. 1108 East Country Club. Super cute. Bye.